NoSQL databases are non-relational databases. They are used for building specific data models and are highly scalable and flexible. We have already studied about NoSQL databases, and their examples are MongoDB and DynamoDB in AWS. So now let's discuss about DynamoDB. DynamoDB is an automated, affordable cloud-based serverless database service. It stores database tables, items, and attributes. It is a key value type database. It has low latency retrieval, high performance, and auto scaling properties. Go to the Management Console, type in DynamoDB, click on Create Table. Type in your table name. So I'll type new underscore table. Partition key is a must. So I'll just type in ID number, and let's keep the sort key as optional. Keep the other settings as default and click on Create Table. So your table has now been created for you. In DynamoDB, you do not have to create a database. DynamoDB is a serverless database. So it will manage everything for you. So after your table is active, open your table. I'll click on the table. Now let's explore the table items. Click on Explore Table Items. There are no items as of now. Let's create item. I'll type in the partition key. So partition key is a number, so your value must be a number. So I'll type 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on Add New Attribute, String. So let's add name and type in name. Let's add another attribute, department, and let's type in the value as development. And now click on Create Item. So your item has been created for you. Just scroll down and here you can find your item. Okay, now let's create another item. Click on Create Item. So I'll just add value 1, 2, 3 and click on Create Item. So as you can see, DynamoDB is very flexible. So if you do not mention your department and name here, it will just leave a blank space. This is how you create items. Now go back to your DynamoDB. Click on the tables. Select your table and click on Delete. Type in delete. Check mark the delete all CloudWatch alarms and click on Delete Table.